Hello friends and welcome to the Architecture Enthusiast. The Zonnestraal Sanatorium, designed by Dutch architects Jan Duiker and Bernard Bijvoet, is an exemplary piece of modernist architecture, heralding the new ideals of functionalism, light, and air in architectural design. Located in Hilversum, Netherlands, this former tuberculosis sanatorium is a testament to the innovative use of materials, structural ingenuity, and the interplay between architecture and nature, which were revolutionary at the time of its construction in the late 1920s and early 1930s. The Zonnestraal Sanatorium was conceived in a period marked by significant social, political, and technological changes following World War I. The era was characterized by a strong belief in progress, health, and the healing properties of sunlight and fresh air, particularly in the treatment of tuberculosis, a rampant health threat at the time. These ideals were encapsulated in the modernist movement, with architects seeking to create buildings that were functional, simple, and filled with light. Jan Duiker and Bernard Bijvoet, influenced by the principles of the De Stijl movement and the work of Le Corbusier, embarked on the project with the ambition to design a building that would serve as a healing environment. They collaborated with structural engineer Jan Wibenga, a proponent of the nieuwe bouwen or new building movement, which emphasized functionalism and the use of modern materials. The Zonnestraal Sanatorium is characterized by its minimalist aesthetic, open floor plans, and extensive use of glass and steel. The design was revolutionary, employing a skeletal structure of reinforced concrete and steel that allowed for large, unobstructed interior spaces and thin exterior walls, which were predominantly made of glass. This structural approach not only facilitated the maximum penetration of sunlight into the wards but also ensured a seamless connection between the interior spaces and the surrounding landscape. The main complex consists of three primary buildings: the main sanatorium building, the administration building, and the service building, arranged in a functional and symbolic layout. The buildings are interconnected by covered walkways, emphasizing the concept of connectivity and the importance of the patient's movement between different spaces as part of their therapy. The architecture of Zonnestraal eschews decorative elements, focusing instead on the clarity of its construction and the rhythm of its horizontal lines, which harmonize with the natural contours of the landscape. The use of flat roofs, ribbon windows, and balconies underscores the building's modernist credentials and its dedication to providing a therapeutic environment. The Zonnestraal Sanatorium was ahead of its time in terms of architectural innovation and construction techniques. The use of prefabricated elements and the modular design were pioneering, pointing the way forward for future developments in modern architecture. The building is considered one of the earliest examples of the international style, influencing generations of architects and becoming a reference point in architectural studies related to health, functionality, and modernism. After decades of use, the Zonnestraal Sanatorium fell into disrepair, leading to concerns about its preservation. The building's significance as a landmark of modern architecture has led to efforts to restore and protect it. Today, it is recognized as a monument of national importance in the Netherlands and is a candidate for UNESCO World Heritage status. The restoration initiatives aim to preserve the original architectural vision while adapting the building to contemporary uses. These efforts underscore the ongoing relevance of the Zonnestraal Sanatorium, not only as a piece of architectural history but also as a symbol of the enduring power of design to influence well-being and the human experience. The Zonnestraal Sanatorium by Jan Duiker and Bernard Bijvoet remains a seminal work in the history of modern architecture. It stands as a monument to the ideals of clarity, simplicity, and harmony between man, nature, and architecture. The sanatorium not only reflects the technological and social innovations of its time but also continues to inspire architects and designers in the pursuit of spaces that promote health, well-being, and the unison of form and function.